Welcome to Introducing OneSearch. OneSearch is Archer Library's comprehensive search tool that allows users to search simultaneously for library and OhioLINK resources, including database articles, eBooks, journals, media, and more. This video provides an overview of OneSearch. It features how to conduct a basic search, explore research starters, manage your search results with limiters, and using available research tools. OneSearch is located in the main research area of Archer Library's website. Use the OneSearch shortcut in the menu or scroll down to view the search box. We'll start our search by entering the search term dystopian literature. It's important to note that if you're working from off-campus, you will be asked to authenticate to use this resource. Enter your AU credentials, the same username and password that you would use to log into Blackboard for your university email account. The first result displayed is a research starter. Research starters are a feature in OneSearch providing an overview of a selected and popular topic. They're comprehensive summaries of discipline-specific topics designed to help users grasp the basic outline of a subject. These overviews are written by subject experts in the field and often have content curated from reference books, encyclopedias, and database resources. The research starter for utopian and dystopian fiction is from the Salem Press Encyclopedia of Literature, 2023. It includes a brief history, information on utopian fiction, dystopian fiction, and a bibliography. Information throughout the overview is linked to other research starters. And it's also possible to listen to the overview. Research starters are a great place to begin your research exploration. Click back to return to your search results. Our initial search returned over 14,000 results that include academic journals, eBooks, periodicals, and electronic resources. We're going to take time to refine these results. Current Search provides information about your search term or terms. It also shows preset expanders and limiters. You can see our search term of dystopian literature and that full text online and all library collections were selected prior to starting our search. As we work with limiters, keep in mind that every limiter selected will further narrow the search. It helps to focus the research, but may also eliminate a worthwhile resource. We're going to start by limiting to peer review only. By selecting peer review, our search results have decreased from 14,000 to under 5,000. You'll also see that the current search says peer review only is one of our limiters. Our next step is to limit publication date. To limit to the most recent 10 years, you can move the slide or enter the start date. Our search results have decreased to under 3,000, and again, the publication date is under the limiters. Finally, we're going to limit our source type to academic journals. The result number has decreased further, and source type is included in our search terms. It is possible to further limit by selecting options such as subject, language, publication, and more. Search results are initially displayed by relevance. You can also opt to view newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You can review page options, and you can share your results. I most often use the permalink because it permits me to share the full screen results page. When reviewing your results, use the magnifying glass to take a closer look at the initial item. In some instances, an article abstract may be available. Use the folder to save items in a database folder and review later. Keep in mind that if you use the folder, be sure to sign up for a free MyEBSCO account. Otherwise, the folder will automatically empty at the end of your session. To determine availability of an item, work from left to right, looking at the icons below the entry. For instance, full text via OhioLINK EJC will direct you to another database that might have the item. Full Text Finder will take you out of this database and give you additional options. PDF full text means it's immediately available. HTML and PDF full text offer two different full text options. If the only option you see is order from Interlibrary Loan, you can request the article. Interlibrary Loan articles are emailed to you as a PDF within 3 to 5 days. Let's take a closer look at an article. For this article, both HTML and PDF full text are available. The results page is divided into 3 parts: detailed record, overview of the article, and tools. It's possible to minimize either of the side panels to provide you with more information in the viewing area. Working from left to right, the detailed record is the name for the visible area. Information about the article is displayed. In the middle, you will see the title, author information, source information, document type, which is an article, other subjects that you will be able to find in the database related to this article, and an abstract. Since this article is available in HTML full text, you can scroll down to read the article. There are options to choose a language, listen to the article, view settings, and navigate the article from the menu. You can also simply scroll to read the entry. Returning to the top, you can view the article in PDF full text. PDF full text allows you to see it exactly as it appeared in the physical journal. Items such as page numbers, contact information, and any charts or graphs are presented within the content of the article. This journal also permits users to browse other entries or choose another issue. Returning to the detailed record, we'll conclude by reviewing the Tools menu. The Tools menu can help you manage your research. You can connect to Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, or the Add to Folder in EBSCO. You can print your article, email your article, and save your article. Another option is the option to cite. Select Cite and view a variety of citation formats. It's important to remember that you should always check the official citation before using it in your resource. It's possible to export to a citation manager, create notes, and again, sign in is required to save. And select Permalink to see a link to this article in AU's databases. And finally, as noted before, you can listen to, or translate the articles. This concludes our OneSearch tutorial. It's possible to return to the library website using the Ashland University Library link at the top of the page. If you have questions about OneSearch or any other library database, feel free to contact a librarian for help. For quick questions, use Ask a Librarian chat. For research help, visit us in the library or email us at library@ashland.edu. Use this QR code to open the form and schedule a research appointment.